Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 5, Day 4. Our topic for today is adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Here's a brief review of what we have discussed yesterday. In yesterday's assessments, we learned how to add numbers using expanded forms and vertical forms. Lesson Purpose Intention. To add 4-digit and 3 to 4-digit numbers with sums up to 10,000 in both expanded and vertical forms with regrouping. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read and understand the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea STEM. We will continue adding numbers up to 10,000 in both expanded and vertical form. Adding in expanded form. To add in expanded forms, here is the possible explanations. Letter A. Add 3 and 3 first. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Add the numbers in the tens column. 40 plus 60 is equals to 100. Regroup 100 as 100 plus 0. Leave 0 in the tens column and carry over 100 to the hundreds column. Then, add the numbers in the hundreds column. 100 plus 800 plus 800 is equals to 1,700. Regroup 1,700 as 1,000 plus 700. Leave 700 in the hundreds column and carry over 1,000 to the thousands column. Finally, add the numbers in the thousands column. 1,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 3,000. Combine the partial sums to get the total 3,000 plus 700 plus 0 plus 6 is equals to 3,706. Vertical form. A. Add the digits in the ones column. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. B. Add the digits in the tens column. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Regroup tens as 100s and 0 to tens. Leave 0 in the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the numbers in the hundreds column. 1 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 17. Regroup 1700s as 1,000 plus 700s. Leave 7 in the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Finally, add the numbers in the thousands column. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. The final sum is 3,706. For additional information, here is example 2. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Let's have a class discussion. Number 1. 8,916 plus 927, 9,843. Add digit by digit starting from the ones place. Ones, 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. Write 3, carry over 1. Tens, 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, plus the carried 1 is equals to 4. Hundreds, 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. Write 8, carry over 1. Thousands, 8 plus 1 carried equals 9. The answer is 9,843. Number 2, 3,085 plus 596 is equals to 3,681. Step 1. Add the ones place. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. Write down 1, carry over 1 to the tens. Step 2. Add the tens place. 8 plus 9 is equals to 17, plus the carried 1 equals 18. Write down 8, carry over 1 to the hundreds. Step 3. Add the hundreds place. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5, plus the carried 1 is equals to 6. Step 4. Add the thousands place. 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. The sum is 3,681. Now, do the remaining numbers. Making generalization and abstraction. How do you add numbers in expanded form with regrouping? Everybody will going to read how to add numbers in expanded form with regrouping and in vertical form with regrouping. Evaluating learning. Assessment 4, Part 1. Add the numbers using expanded form. Show your solution and final answer. For Part 2, add the numbers using vertical form. Show your solution and final answer. Here is the correct answer.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!